Everyone start from scratch, but they don't know what to do. How can they start from scratch? And what is the right method to improve English and start from scratch? In today's video, I want to share some tips and tricks that can really helpful for you to improve your English. And if you are beginner and you start from scratch and you start from day one, what is the roadmap to improve English? What is the roadmap to enhance this skill? So this video is totally for you. And as you know, I started my journey last December month, and that time I followed these steps because these steps is really helped me at that time. And now I am here in front of camera. I am making video for beginner who really want to improve their English, who really passionate about learn this language. So don't skip this video. Follow this roadmap from day one. So first point, who you are. Likewise, self-introduction. So first of all, make your introduction like 5 to 10 times, 10 lines. Like my name is Ashwani Verma. I am from Rajasthan, Shri Ganganagar. My hobby is reading English books. Okay, apart from this, I do trading and investing. So these type of lines you make for yourself because initially starting level, like when we start our journey, then the most important factor, the most important thing is self-introduction. When we introduce yourself in English and impressive way, so then that is the main important thing at starting point. So first of all, focus on who you are. So try to make 5 to 10 lines of your introduction. Then go for next chapter. Second tip, find your interest. If you are interested in any subject, if you are interested in any field like business field, otherwise if you interested in any particular thing, then you start watching videos related to this thing. Like you are interested in science, then you watched a lot of video in English language because when we interested any field that time we listen every video in English language. That time our mind easily grab all things, and that time we listen very attentively. So attentive listening is more important rather than passive listening. Okay, so find out your interest. Third person, copy one person like a clone. You know, guys, there are so many beginners, they started from scratch, and initially days they follow multiple types of teacher, multiple type of tutor, and they watch a lot of videos to improve English, to improve communication, to improve pronunciation. They watch a lot of videos. Okay, that is the biggest mistake. Because when I started my journey, that time I watched like 2 to 3, at least only for 2 to 3 tutor and teacher that they teach English, and they can make conversation videos. So these type of tutor I only watch 2 to 3. That's enough. Don't focus on so many teacher. Don't focus on so many YouTube videos. Just stick with 1, 2, 3 teacher. Fourth step: start reading story books. Start reading storybooks. Storybooks, because whenever you start your journey, you are beginner and you start from storybooks because storybooks easy to understand and their language is very easy, their vocabulary is easy. So that time we easily understand their language. Like in India, there are a lot of storybooks, but whenever I started my journey, that time I read written by Sudha Murthy's books. These books really helpful for me that time. And then after 2, 3 months, I went to like business related books, self-help related books, and mindset related books. But initial days, you just focus on like storybooks. Okay, so storybooks is easy to understand and you can easily relate with them. Fifth step: don't pressurize your mind, because whenever we start this journey, that time we pressurize our mind. Why I'm not improving? What is the main problem? Why I'm lacking? Why my mind goes blank? These type of problems we face a lot of time because we are beginner. And that time we pressurize our mind. Why I'm not improving? Because because we because this is a language and this is a skill, and skill improve, the skill needs a lot of time. Okay, because we want to improve this language but we don't invest time. Why? Because it's take a lot of time. After 6 months, after 1 year, we speak, we will speak definitely. But initial days we have just focus on, yeah, this person speak very well, I don't speak very well. Why? Because we judge ourselves to see others people. That is the main reason. So don't pressurize your mind. Just go with flow. Just read out loud every day. Just listen every day and just focus on listening part and reading part and listening part. Slowly and gradually you will improve your speaking. Okay guys, so that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.